A DS breaker comes with a feature on here that allows you to disable the close button. And to do that, this little sleeve right here that you see moving a little bit, there's a hole right here that you can put a screw in. If you put a screw in, it locks this sleeve from moving on that shaft and effectively disables the close button. Come around this way through some components that's down inside of here. But you come over on this side, when the screw is not in, like most breakers have, you can see on this side there's a roll pin, and see how it allows that to move a slight amount. So when it's in this position here, the close button is disabled. When it's over this way, the close button is enabled. So and you can see when it's in the enabled position, if we look back over here to the other side, there's no way you can get a screw back in that hole again. Okay, so I'm going to take you over and show you on our other breaker. This breaker works good, and as you can see, I can move this sleeve with a screwdriver, no problem, back and forth. Okay, I'm going to take you over